Today, we're delving into the fascinating evolution of the Internet of Things, IoT, in 2024. The Internet of Things has come a long way, transforming from a concept into a crucial part of our everyday lives. Let's explore how IoT is shaping our world in 2024. Firstly, the integration of IoT in our homes has reached new levels of sophistication. Smart homes are now more intuitive, with devices that not only communicate with each other, but also adapt to our lifestyle patterns. Imagine your refrigerator ordering groceries when you're running low, or your thermostat adjusting the temperature based on your schedule and weather conditions. This level of automation is not just convenient, it's revolutionizing the way we live. Moving beyond the home, IoT is playing a pivotal role in the development of smart cities. Traffic lights that adapt to real-time traffic conditions, waste management systems that notify when bins are full, and street lights that conserve energy when no one is around. These are just a few examples of how IoT is making cities more efficient, sustainable, and livable. In the healthcare sector, IoT has become a game changer. Wearable devices that monitor health vitals and alert medical professionals in emergencies are becoming more common. Hospitals are using IoT for asset tracking, patient care, and even in operating rooms for real-time data analysis. This is not only improving patient care, but also revolutionizing the entire healthcare system. However, with great connectivity comes great responsibility. IoT security will be a major focus in 2024. As more devices get connected, the risk of data breaches and cyber attacks grows. Significant advancements have been made in IoT security protocols, ensuring that personal and sensitive data remain protected in this interconnected world. Another exciting development is the convergence of AI and IoT. AI algorithms are enhancing the capabilities of IoT devices, making them smarter and more efficient. This integration is leading to breakthroughs in predictive maintenance, energy management, and personalized user experiences. Sustainability is also a key theme in IoT's evolution. IoT technologies are being used to monitor environmental conditions, optimize resource use, and reduce carbon footprints. This is helping in the fight against climate change, making our planet a better place for future generations. In conclusion, the Internet of Things in 2024 is more than just smart gadgets. It's a network of interconnected devices that's enhancing our quality of life, making businesses more efficient and contributing to a sustainable future. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the evolving world of IoT. If you're passionate about technology and its impact on our future, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Initiant for more insightful content.